What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Colleen back with another video. Still got this cold on though, and I'm gonna be doing a responsibles. Sorry, I can't talk now. A responsibles video. I'm gonna be showing you how to use the weapons or weapons review. So basically, we're gonna start with for a lot of people, the first weapon that they get, which is a rookie machine gun. So the rookie machine gun is actually pretty weak. It has 1 damage, which means that it's going to take a long time to kill your enemies. Its range is not even that good. Its accuracy is not that good, and its agility is pretty decent for a rookie machine gun. So yeah, let's try this out. Yeah, and I will be doing a lot of these videos on weapon reviews and which weapons you should get and which weapons you shouldn't get. If you're just starting off, oh wait, have the wrong weapon. I'm gonna kill myself real quick. Alright, you guys really shoot me, kill me. Alright. That took forever. Wow. Where is it at? There we go. Yeah. This weapon's so slow. I can't move. It's glitched out. Yeah, this weapon's really slow. Look how long it takes to reload. You're not gonna get people with this unless you move around. It does have a lot of ammo though, which is a good thing about weapons. Maybe if you had the dual rookie machine gun, you might be able to survive a little bit longer, but this, no, not a very good weapon to get when you first start off. I would not suggest it. I would suggest you actually save up. I mean, I think they force you to get this weapon, but if you were able to get another weapon, do not use this weapon. Use that other weapon. Yes, it takes a while to kill your enemy. See, look how long it's taking to. Like, if I had a revolver or like the rocket, the bazooka, it'd take like 1 or 2 shots and they'd be dead. But this, do a grenade. Yeah, this is just terrible. I would definitely not suggest it. It barely has damage. It barely has range. Agility's not that good. I mean, accuracy's not that good. Agility is pretty good. But yeah, it's definitely not a good weapon compared to other weapons where you can get other weapons where maxed out agility, maxed out range. See, terrible. Terrible. Yep, that was a pretty bad weapon. Well, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at King Colleen. Hope you have a good day, a blessed day. And King Colleen out. Less. Get it, man.